I literally had to buy a bag in Bangkok so I can fit everything that I've shopped there. This is Sachi Nashe. Hi, so I recently went to Bangkok and I shopped a lot, so I thought I'll share with you guys what all I've got. I've already posted a vlog of Bangkok, so I'll make sure I mention it over here somewhere so that you can go and watch it as well. Now, I did get a lot of stuff for my brother and Shlok also, but I'm not gonna show it. I'm just gonna show what I got for myself in this haul. I got few clothing items, accessories, bag, a lot of other things. So yeah, I'm very excited to show you all what I have got from Bangkok, and yeah, let's get into it. First up, I got all these balms and roll-ons. Like Thailand is very popular for these balms, and everywhere, wherever you go there, you'll find these from 7-Eleven to like grocery stores. हर जगह मिल जाएंगे. तो मैंने ये balm लिए थे, of course, and they are so good. मतलब it's like your inhalers, Vicks and all, but like उससे काफी elevated. So these are like inhalers that I got, and I got so many of them. कुछ मैंने गिफ्टिंग के लिए लिए, कुछ खुद के लिए लिए. So yeah, I have already given a lot of them away, by the way. Then I got these roll-ons as well. I have two open. I can't find them. These are actually for gifting, which I haven't given yet. But ये जो roll-ons है, ये आपके headache को इतना beautifully मिटा देंगे ना, आप कभी भी headache के बारे में सोचोगे नहीं. So these roll-ons are something that I got, and ये सारी चीजें बहुत affordable थी. Like जो इनका inhaler है, that was for like 40 rupees in Indian currency, 80 rupees in Indian currency, like sizing के basis पे. These were for I think 120 rupees each in Indian currency. So I think काफी affordable था, and they actually work really well. Then let's move next to accessories. A lot of altu faltu stuff because there are night markets there, and वहाँ पे हर चीज 20 बात की मिलती है, which is your INR around 50 rupees के around. So मैंने वहाँ से बहुत फालतू फालतू चीजें ली थी. मैं वो सब दिखाती हूँ आपको. सबसे पहले तो मैंने चेरी क्रंची ली थी, and I have been wearing it. Usually मैं ये सब थोड़ा पहनती नहीं हूँ, बट मुझे बहुत पसंद है ये सब, तो मैं कलेक्ट करके रख लेती हूँ. बट अभी मैं पहन भी रही हूँ. सो आई गॉट दिस चेरी क्रंची. देन आई गॉट दिस हेलो किटी क्रंची. इट्स सो क्यूट. आई मीन मैं रो दूंगी, इतना प्यारा सामान है सब. सो दिस हेलो किटी क्रंची. देन आई गॉट दिस flowers crunchy. So the next time I'm taking a beach vacation, it will come more handy. I can just make like a nice bun and tie it. So yeah, this flowers crunchy rubber band actually. Then I got this teddy bear claw clip, so cute again. Next, I got this flower claw clip. They had so much variety ना वहाँ इन सब चीज़ों की कि मन कर रहा था सब ले लूँ, but of course I can't. Then I got these cute crochet clips. They're so cute. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. I'm wearing right now only. So cute. Let's wear it for the rest of the haul. Cute, right? Then I got this, which was like a beaded clip set. So this is also very cute. Clip that I got is this bow one. It's so aesthetic, like everything was so aesthetic. So I got this sunflower necklace, which is a beaded jewelry again. Rose necklace, so pretty. I in fact wore it मेरे Amazon के dresses haul में शायद से, and it looked very very nice. Shell star वाला necklace. I also got some lip products. सबसे पहले तो we have this Powerpuff Girls का lip gloss. Actually wearing it right now on my lips. I absolutely love this gloss. And ये जो इसका top है ना, इसको मैं निकाल भी सकती हूँ, इसको मैं किसी और चीज के ऊपर भी लगा सकती हूँ. So I really like it. ये gloss is very extremely hydrating and हल्का सा shine भी है, which I like. And then I got another gloss, which is this one. These are by same brand, Charmis करके. तो अगर आप कभी थाईलैंड जा रहे हो, आप check कर सकते हो. So this is something that I got again. It's a lip oil actually, lip and cheek oil. And then I got another gloss, which is a sweetener lip gloss. Now I haven't tried the other two, तो इनको मैं जरूर से जल्दी ट्राई करूंगी. मेरा भी मन नहीं है खोलने का, but I tried this one. I love it already. Then I got some bags, and I'm gonna show you guys some very expensive purchases, guys. So इट्स अ कोच बैग. नाउ मैं वहाँ पे आउटलेट मॉल गई थी शॉपिंग के लिए. एक्चुअली वहाँ पे मेरा काम था, मुझे जहाँ रील बनानी थी, एंड दे आई हैव ऑलरेडी यूज्ड इट थ्राइस, सो इट्स ओपन ऑलरेडी. मैं अनबॉक्सिंग नहीं कर रही हूँ इसकी, बट आई गॉट दिस. इट्स अ क्यूट वॉलेट क्लच स्लिंग काइंड ऑफ थिंग, क्योंकि ये स्लिंग में भी कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. एंड आई एब्सोल्युटली लव दिस. मतलब मुझे ये इतना पसंद आया. ऑल्दो आई नो इट्स लेदर, आई एम अगेंस्ट लेदर. मेरे पास 2-3 है लग्जरी बैग्स जो लेदर में है. सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू नॉट टेक लेदर, बट एक दो चीजें थोड़ा हो गई तो Yeah, but I really like this. So yeah, that's the biggest purchase for myself, and I really like this one. Then I got another cute bag. It's very cute, छोटू सा bag. I in fact carried it in Thailand. मैं यहाँ पे एक picture attach करूंगी. उस outfit के साथ भी बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, so मैंने ये लिया क्योंकि मैंने वहां से already shopping करी थी and I just carried one bag with me. I had to buy extra bag and extra tote bag मुझे चाहिए भी था जो बहुत बड़ा सा हो. इसके अंदर मेरी पूरी दुनिया समा जाती है. अभी इसके अंदर मैंने अपने सारे एक्स्ट्रा बैग्स ही रख रखे हैं और कुछ नहीं. बैग्स के अंदर बैग है, but this is like huge and it has so much storage, so it's really great for like traveling purpose also. So I got this and I think all the stuff that I'm showing you guys, जैसे एक्सेसरीज तो मैंने बोला सब 50-50 बात की थी. ग्लॉसेस वर आई थिंक फॉर ₹150 ईच इन INR. देन कोच की तो हम बात ना करें, बट मुझे बहुत सस्ता मिला. मुझे कोच का ये जो बैग था ये मुझे 6,500 में मिल गया था उनके आउटलेट मॉल पे. देन द ब्लू वन दैट वाज फॉर ₹550. दिस वॉज फॉर 1500. मैं सब INR में कॉस्टिंग बता रही हूँ, बट ये भी बहुत सही है, मतलब क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी है, तो इट्स लिटरली वर्थ 1500. So let me show you all the clothing items also that I got. I got this blue printed top. It has these big flowers on it and I really found it so cute. मैं यहाँ पे छोटी छोटी क्लिपिंग्स अटैच कर दूंगी कि आप देख लो पहनने पे कैसा लग रहा है. बट आई फेल इन लव विद द शॉप. मैंने शॉप से 3 टॉप्स लिए थे एंड बहुत ही प्यारा सा मुझे ये लगा. आई थिंक सारे टॉप्स 200 बात के थे, which is 550 rupees in INR. So yeah, this is the first one that I got. Then the next one I'm actually wearing right now is this very nice peplum kind of baby pink tube top again. And I fell in love with this one. इसको आप स्कर्ट की तरह भी पहन सकते हैं because इतना फिटिंग इसका ऐसा है. So this is how it looks. Super cute again. Also got this one. It also has like some shimmer which won't be that visible on camera, but in person it looks so pretty. And it's like a very sexy top, so I'm actually waiting कि कहीं मैं अच्छी जगह इसको पहन सकूं. Like I think even with this as a skirt and this it will look very nice. So yeah, that's the next item that I got and super comfortable again. And yeah, you already seen how it looks, right? Then I got a skirt. So this is what it looks like. This was also for 200 baht, which is 550 rupees. I love it. It's like it's giving denim skirt cargo style, but it's not that. क्योंकि अंदर स्कर्ट है इसमें, तो मतलब शॉर्ट्स टाइप है. पीछे से भी स्कर्ट ही लग रहा है बट अंदर शॉर्ट्स है, साथ में पॉकेट है, एडजस्ट कर सकते हो वेस्ट साइज. सुपर सुपर कंफर्टेबल. इट हैड सो मेनी कलर्स बट आई वेंट अहेड विद द बेसिक बेज बिकॉज मुझे लगा हर चीज के साथ पहन सकती हूँ. एंड आई एम जस्ट गोना अटैच अ पिक्चर हियर, video here, and you can see how it looks. Then I got a coordinate set. This is very unlike me. It's not my style, but मुझे पता नहीं क्यों बहुत अच्छा लगा. मुझे लगा मेरे पास ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है तो एक चीज ऐसी होनी चाहिए. And it has this t-shirt which says strong and ये पूरा मतलब देख रहे हो आप, चम 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 चम, like it's fully embellished. Like यहाँ पे stars हैं, moon है, everything is embellished and I really liked it. I don't wear such embellished clothes, but I was like एक exception बनता है. It also comes with this pair of shorts जो यहाँ पे again strong लिखा है but normal text लिखा है. It has pockets again, very comfortable. So this coordinate set is something which is very comfy, but I think I can just be bougie in this and still wear it. So that's the next item I got, and this is how it looks in wearing. Very cute again and very girly at the same time. Then I got 2 trousers, lounge pants जो कहना चाहो आप. First one is this one, which is, oh by the way, everything, all the clothing items I'm showing you guys for like 200 baht. Now this one, the pants that I got, these were again for 200 baht. So comfy. Oh my god, I even like जब मैं बैंकॉक से वापस आई थी मुंबई तो मैं फ्लाइट में भी यही पहन के आई थी because they're so comfortable, very stretchable, the material is top notch. एंड दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स ऑन वेयरिंग. बहुत ही प्यारी. मैंने इसी टाइप में एक और पिंक ली थी जो मैंने एक्चुअली पहनी हुई है, तो आप देख नहीं सकते. सो आई एम जस्ट गोना अटैच लाइक अ शॉर्ट क्लिप यहाँ पे कि कैसी लग रही है. बट आई लव बोथ द पैंट्स एंड या yeah guys, this was everything that I got from Bangkok, Thailand, and it was just a 3-day trip, but मुझे लगता है मैंने 3 दिन में काफी शॉपिंग कर ली. I did get a lot of stuff for like my brother, for my boyfriend, घर पे खाने पीने के लिए, but of course सब कुछ over हो चुका है because it's been 2 weeks since I've come back and yeah, everything is here and there now. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got for myself. I hope you guys liked it. And आप मुझे comments में बताओ कि आपको सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा क्या लगा. If I have to pick a favorite, I think the, yeah, I can't actually. I mean, I love the lip gloss, Powerpuff Girls wala. I love the Coach bag. I love the pink tube top I'm wearing. But it's very hard to pick something because सब कुछ बहुत cute है. And if you're ever going to Bangkok, so please go for shopping. You will enjoy it a lot. And yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna see you guys super soon again with another video. Until then, bye guys. Take care.